Most people think starting a dropshipping business means contacting shady suppliers, waiting 30 days for shipping, and praying your customer doesn't file a PayPal dispute. But that's the old way. Today I'm showing you how to start your dropshipping business the smarter way, using a platform called Doba. They connect you to over 700,000 products with US-based shipping, automated order fulfillment, and one-click integration with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, even TikTok Shop. I'll also show you how to use their platform to actually find high-margin, trending products, and build a business that actually feels manageable and profitable. Let's get straight to it. So what is Doba? Doba is a dropshipping platform that takes care of everything from sourcing to shipping. You don't need to buy inventory, hold stock, or pack a single box. It connects you with pre-vetted suppliers, real suppliers, not mystery merchants from the deep corners of the internet. A lot of them have US-based warehouses, so shipping is actually fast and reliable. And the real value, you're getting all of this inside one dashboard. You don't need 15 tabs open for supplier hunting, product research, order tracking, and inventory management. It's clean, simple, and made for people who actually want to build something legit. So if you click the link in the description, it'll take you straight to Doba's homepage. Then click on Get Started, enter your email, set a password, enter your first name and last name, your phone number, and register for an account. And once you log in, this is where you'll land. First thing I recommend is to set your niche. Don't just click random products, start by choosing a niche. You can choose pets, fitness, beauty, home, or you can click on all products, and use Doba's powerful filters to narrow things down based on shipping location, profit margin, supplier rating, and even product tags. Or if you want a shortcut, just check out the top ranking tab. This is where you'll find trending high-performing products that are already doing numbers. Or if you're chasing high margins, head over to the high profit tab. This is where the real money lives. These are products that actually give you room to scale, not just $1 pocket change per sale. Click on any product to view all the key info, like where it ships from, warehouse location, product cost, and the MSRP. That's the price the manufacturer recommends you sell it for. Your profit lives in the gap between these two numbers. Once you've picked a product, just click Add to Inventory List to add it. Next, it'll ask you to add a tag to keep things organized, especially when your store starts filling up with 20, 30, or more products. The next step is to publish your product to your store, but before that, you'll need to connect your store to Doba. So head over to your profile, click on My Doba, then from the left menu, click on Stores. From here, click Connect a new store, and choose your platform, whether that's Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or TikTok Shop. One click, and boom, your store is synced. And if you don't have a store yet, no problem. Doba's AI Store Builder has your back. Just click Build Now, choose your platform, hit Start to build, and go through the quick steps. You'll have a fully functional store in just a minute or two, loaded with ready-to-sell products. So once your store is connected, click on My Products and head over to your inventory list. Find the product you want to list, click List to Store, choose your platform, hit Continue, then click List Now. And just like that, your product is live. So what happens when someone places an order? Doba automatically notifies the supplier, and they pack and ship it straight to your customer. No packing, no shipping, just profits. Let's talk real strategy for a sec, because success in dropshipping isn't just about listing random items. It's about selling the right product at the right time. Here's what I recommend. Check the top ranking tab for daily trends. Then cross-check the product with Google Trends or TikTok search. Make sure it has a clear problem-solution angle or wow factor. Avoid products with crazy long shipping or tiny margins. Once you find a solid product, create a landing page with clear benefits, and if you're on TikTok Shop, make content around it using UGC or AI tools. Now let's talk about how Doba's leveling up with AI. If you click on the AI Tool Hub, you'll see all their smart automation tools laid out, and let me tell you, this is where things get serious. Doba's AI is built to simplify and speed up every part of your dropshipping workflow. From launching a store to optimizing listings, it's designed to save you time and boost your results, even if you're just getting started. started. So here's what you're getting. AI Store Builder. You can launch a ready-to-sell online store in just minutes, which I showed you earlier. It comes with one online store, a standout theme, and 10 hand-picked winning products to get you rolling instantly. Next feature is AI Product Finder. This one helps you discover new products based on your niche, using big data and AI to show you tailored high-potential products that are trending right now. Next we have AI Auto Lister. It keeps your product shelves fresh with new items daily, a fully automated listing process, and real-time inventory sync, so you never sell out of stock items again. Then we have AI Listing Optimizer. This tool auto-generates smart titles and descriptions with high-converting copy, SEO-boosted keywords, and even adapts to market trends so your listings stay sharp. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, these AI tools save you hours of manual work and give you a serious edge over the competition. So if you're ready to build your store and want that back-end support baked in, Doba might just be your move. You'll find the link in the description. Go check it out. And if this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more real talk on making money online.